People are paying $49 for one AirTag when they can get 5 for $59. This is called a TrackTag, and unlike the AirTag, it actually has an attachment hole, meaning you can easily attach it to your bags, keys, and suitcases. It features a user-replaceable battery, meaning you don't have to buy a new one when the battery dies every couple years. These TrackTags are also assembled in Sydney, Australia, ensuring premium quality and reliable support in case anything rarely goes wrong. As you can see, you can easily set up TrackTag from the Find My app. This app is also where you can see its location and remotely play a beeping sound. Get a 5-pack today for only $59 with free shipping Australia-wide at 256bits.com.au.